Hello kids, welcome to another maths lesson with Mr. Daniel. Today we'll complete lesson 13 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 6 workbook. Let us learn how to use square ties to decompose a rectangle. First, let's play a game. It is making the next 10 to add game. This is what I mean. When I say 9 plus 4, say 10 plus 3. Do you get it? When I say 9 plus 4, you make the next 10 and tell me the remainder and then add up. 9 plus 4, 10 plus 3 equals 13. Are you ready? Let's go. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 30 plus 3 equals 23. I hope you've gotten it now. Just say the answer. 40 plus 3 equals 43. Now, this one was a bit tricky. Did you notice? You have to add the tens together first, 30, and then you have 39 plus 4, which will give you 40 plus 3. Here's another one. 59 plus 14. 70 plus 3 equals 73. 8 plus 5. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 30 plus 3 equals 33. 50 plus 3 equals 53. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 30 plus 5 equals 35. 60 plus 5 equals 65. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 30 plus 3 equals 33. 50 plus 3 equals 53. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 20 plus 1 equals 21. Good job, you're doing great. 30 plus 1 equals 31. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 20 plus 1 equals 21. 70 plus 1 equals 71. Fantastic. All right, so now you take 2 minutes to solve your core fluency practice, lesson 13 fluency practice. See how many questions you can get correctly. You are competing with yourself. Do your very best and let's see how many you get correctly. We'll be working with square ties. We'll be using it to construct rectangles. So now, let us construct a rectangle with 4 rows of 5. If you see the one I've constructed for you, if you count the rows are horizontal and the columns are vertical. So 4 rows of 5 will mean that there are 4 rows, 4 squares arranged in horizontal pattern, 4, and each row has 5 square ties. That is 5 columns. How many ties in all are you seeing? Count it. 4 rows of 5 is the same as 4 in 5 places, or 5 in 4 places. Or when you say 4 times 5, or 5 times 4, what's the answer now? 20. I know you counted. That's how you know. Let us make a number band to share, yes, decompose this array. How can we decompose this rectangle into two equal parts? What should we do? It has to be equal parts. If you share using the columns, it won't be equal. But look at if we share the rows. What if we share the rows into 2 rows of 5? That's it. You're correct. 2 equal parts. 2 rows of 5. If you check each row, each of the parts now have 2 rows. There are 5 ties in each row. And look at the number band, the parts, 2 rows of 5. 2 rows of 5 is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. The other part, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Are 20 square ties. Now here is 6 columns of 2. It's a rectangle of 6 columns of 2. That means there are 12 ties. 12 ties in this array. Count and you find that. Here's the number band. How can we decompose this rectangle into 2 equal parts? What should we do? We can share it using columns, and we can share it using rows. Yes, it will work. I shared it using columns. There are 2 columns now, equal parts. 3 columns of 2. Yes, each column has 2 ties. The number bond, 3 columns of 2. 3 plus 3, 6. Another 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. If you count the ties again, it's the 12. Now, you use 16 ties to construct a rectangle with 4 rows. Try it out and tell me how many ties in each row. And say the repeated addition sentence and tell me the total. If you take away 1 row, what will remain? Write it down. Tell me the new total. Count it. What if you take 1 column off? Tell me what will remain. Now here is an application problem. I will explain this application problem for you. Now Ellie bakes a square pan of lemon bars, which she cut into 9 equal pieces. Her brothers eat 1. Her brothers eat 1 row of her treats. Then her mom eats 1 column. Can you draw a picture of Ellie's bars before any of it was eaten? Try and draw it. You're going to get a 3 by 3 array. A 3 by 3 array. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And that gives us the total number of lemon bars that Ellie baked. Now, cross out the ones the brother ate. The brothers ate 1 row of our treats. If you remove 1 row from 3 rows of 3, you have 2 rows of 3. That is 6. If the mother eats 1 column, it will remain 2 rows of 2. 4. Try and draw it and see the picture. Alright, so you're going to construct some rectangles for me and decompose just the way we just did in this video, and then bring your work to class for marking. See you. Bye.